I know some of you are looking like, look at this young guy about to talk about money. It has to be a scam. And I know you're used to seeing all these fancy setups and all these people with these high-end videos. And when you get to the end of them, it's all stuff you can't do or can't afford. I'm not gonna waste any time, and we're gonna make this quick. We're gonna try to do this under 5 minutes, but I hope you get the vision. I wanna welcome you guys to digital real estate. I wanna welcome you guys to the engine, the $28 engine. And that's actually refreshed the site that I coded with 100% AI so you can see where we are in the future. I typed, and look what we have here. The Freedom Launch, where I'm gonna show you guys how to take 2 products, one for productivity, that's gonna track all your goals, all your habits, and it's gonna help you implement and be intentional every single day. And 2, I'm gonna show you some software that's gonna host your branded website. So when you let people know about this, they get to type in their email, press activate, watch a video, and you potentially can make money every time somebody visits your website. I can't guarantee you're gonna make a whole bunch of money even using my videos, but I can let you know this. You're gonna have one of the hottest products in the game, and it's not gonna break people's pockets. And on the back end, they have other products that are gonna give you all the knowledge that you can possibly need in this space. So one thing about recurring money, meaning you pay it every single month to use the product or have the resale rights of the product. You see, we start right here. And if you're someone who can't dream a little bigger, you might wanna close your eyes for this video. But listen, it starts small. So I'm gonna show you my goal. This is where the numbers get a little crazy. I'm gonna show you my goal. My goal is around, over 300 active members in 90 days. We just started it this week, 90 days. We're looking to build this income up in 90 days using these 2 low ticket businesses. And if you see, if you had this type of money or this type of, goals every single month, you see in 12 months where it will go, just crazy. Well, what I want you to know is, say for example, you work your way up, it takes you 90 days or 5 months to have 352 active customers, but then 2 months later, it drops down to 292. You're only getting paid $8,000 a month. What I want you to understand is this $8,000 a month, you're getting paid off of work you did months ago. Nowhere else can you really get paid off of work you did months ago. And if any of you understand where we're going, we're not saying that we won't lose customers, but the whole goal every single week, if you see right here, is to add on. This is our cash flow weekly. This is what we're looking to do every single week if we can. We may fall a little short, but don't you realize the more you put this in motion and you treat it like a 9 to 5, look what happens when you start really pushing in numbers. And I'm gonna tell you the overhead in just a second, guys. But I want you to see the app a little bit right here. You see, this is the app. Here, you see the habit tracker down here. You're gonna be putting your daily income operations in here so you can check them off when you get them done. So every day you're doing what you need to do and you're not getting distracted. And then the software already showed you how it looks. You just get to create beautiful pages that your customers can go to, right? So you're probably wondering like, okay, I'm excited because this is something you can do 100% from the home while you're at work, posting these videos or scheduling these videos. And I'm going to give you the content, and I want you to see something really quick. If we scroll up and we see, let's just look right here. Look, I know why, you're watching this video with one eye closed. Might have read that kind of weird. You see a young brother on your screen talking about money and your scam alarm is going off. Sound familiar? I think that's the hook to this video, right? So I'm referencing a hook that I put in Gemini. Gemini, you can get it for free or get the pro version for $20 a month. My script kind of resembles this, right? This is what I mean by we're in the future. We're in the future, and all my reels the last few days have been using Gemini scripts word for word, and I've got at least over 50 leads just in the last 2 days, posting a few videos a day. So I want you to understand, you don't have to be the genius. I'm not the genius anymore, but like I said, I want to show you how much is this thing going to cost me out the box. Drum roll, $35. Hence, if we come back to the website, $28 commissions. Those two products I mentioned, they pay out 80% commission. So they pay out $28 a month per customer. $35 overhead. Few pizzas, right? Heavily affordable. If it's either I want to do it or I don't. I want more or I don't. There's no explaining you really need from this. There's really no convincing this. $35. And you're gonna get actual software with it. It's not like you're just getting training. You're getting software with it, but you're getting a community that's gonna help you launch to the next level, and you can help people worldwide with this. You don't have to worry about Stripe, Stand Store, or anything. The company cuts you the check to any bank account you wanted to go to, guys. And we're at 6 minutes, so I think that's enough talking, right? I think you guys understand the mix. You probably came from some of my reels and seen this video. Pay attention to my content. Go back and watch some of my reels. This is going to be similar content that you're going to be posting. And it is what it is type of thing. There's people out here who need this. We go find those people and place them with this type of tech, with this type of knowledge, and we rinse and repeat. But the best thing is it's recurring. So the more customers we get, the more our monthly income moves. All online.